I've been shooting weddings for over 10 years now, and I've pretty much done everything that I want to do in the industry. I wanted to make a masterclass that doesn't hold back. I wanted to make a masterclass that gives absolutely everything that I know. I think it's so important to be brutally honest about how you work and how you do things. I wanted to create a course that was accessible to absolutely everyone. I didn't want it to make a difference whether you were new to the industry or whether you'd been a professional for, say, 25 years. I cover everything that I know. It's not technical, it's not complicated, and it doesn't need to be. You know, it's just a stripped back approach that has been extremely successful for me.